Liberty Accounts Payroll Cost Allocation provides powerful yet simple tools to allocate your employee costs across multiple cost centers. From the Payroll menu, you have Configure Payroll and PAYE settings. Here you can define the cost analysis that will be applied at an organizational level. This could be split across multiple funds or activities, or, as I'm doing here, 100% to general fund and admin. That cost analysis will apply unless, at an employee level, we state something different. So here on our employee details, we have the cost analysis which we can set up for the individual employee. So this may be different from that set at an organizational level. So here we can actually split the cost for the community support fund and fundraising as 50%, and then I want the other 50% to be allocated to the community essentials shop and the community initiatives. Obviously the total must add up to 100%. That cost allocation will now apply against that individual. But now we come to the third level. What happens if, on an individual week or month of a pay run, work is done and the cost analysis is to be different? Here we have the cost analysis for the individual pay items. You simply click on it and you say, in regards to this overtime, in this particular case, then it's to be allocated to the community support fund and the fundraising, and that's 100% allocation. As a variable pay element, we'll now enter the number of hours worked on overtime. A similar process can be used on any of the payroll elements, and it can be analyzed across multiple cost centers as required. Simply define the cost centers and the percentage split. All that is then required is to run your payroll, importing any expenses if there are any, and Liberty Accounts will do all the hard work of analyzing those employee costs across the multiple cost centers as you've defined. Yet another example of how Liberty Accounts makes some difficult tasks easy. Please contact us for further information on this or other features of Liberty Accounts software.